Hi everyone and welcome back, and today is the 28th of June 2021 and a lot of my option actually expire last Friday. Basically the call option expired last Friday, so I'm going to sell new call option this week, and let's see how am I able to collect $552 of passive rental income just like that. So let us take a look at the market, and these are the options that I sell today. Okay, basically TSM, I'm selling a 123 call. And what do I have for TSM? My purchase price was actually 122.5. Right now the market is at 118. So in fact, I'm still losing money on this position based on my buying price. But I'm selling a 123 call. So if I get call out, I have the potential gain over here. And in fact, I don't think I lose money on TSM because I've been selling put and call on this stock. Let's take a look at the account on TSM. So for the profit loss year to date, I'm probably up a little bit, not too much. But that's fine, because if this call option were to expire worthless, I stand to gain another 50 cents, and that will reduce my buying price again. And then we take a look at Palantir, PLTR. So we can see that Palantir, my buying price is 25. And right now, Palantir is up $27.27. So I'm actually making money on this position right now. The call I'm selling is 29, so I'm selling even higher than the market price. There's two things to gain here. If there's a capital appreciation and Palantir were to go up to 29, I stand to gain another $1.80 from that. And on top of that, I gain the premium for this call, which is 35 cents. That's how we actually grow our account fast, this way. So same thing for FUBO. If you take a look at FUBO, my purchase price is $28.50. Right now FUBO is at $33. I'm selling a 40 call. So what I've done here is I let FUBO go up. Of course, I do hope that FUBO will go up. If FUBO were to really go up, then I stand to gain another $7 from here on top of the 50 cent premium that I collected. So the same thing, I did it for AMD, Apple, and Blink is actually I get called last week. So I'm trying to get back on Blink again this week. So what I'm selling for Blink is a 42 put. And I sell it for $1.98. That is $198 of premium. If Blink were to go up, of course, if Blink were to come down, then I'll get a sign. Then I'll take over the share. And I don't think I lose money on Blink for this year. In fact, for Blink, I'm making $1,200. So same thing for Apple. I'm selling a much higher call. For Apple at 138, my purchase price is 136, and right now the market is about 135. And if you look at the Apple again over here, then my profit and loss to date is $900. A lot of time people ask me this question: could I have done better if I don't sell call and put, if I just buy the stock and hold on to it? If I were to just buy the stock and hold on to it, then I definitely will not perform better. If you look at Apple, my traded price is 136. Basically, I sell a put and I get a sign. So if I do nothing on Apple at 136, right now where is Apple? Apple is at 134. In fact, I'm still losing money if I've done nothing on this position. So by selling call and put, I can make more money that way. And in fact, if you look at Tesla, then Tesla, I'm actually losing money because my purchase price for Tesla is 743. And I purchased Tesla over a period of time. The last purchase was actually in February this year. So my average price for Tesla is actually 743. So was that high for Tesla at 743? If you look at Tesla chart, back in about February, then Tesla hit the high of $900. And my purchase price was 743. That is actually not high. But of course, if you look at the market today at 689, and if you look at Tesla, in fact, it did drop below $550 at one stage. And that is high compared to what I've buy at 743. But that is also low compared to the high because the high was 900. Of course, if I can buy at 520 and sell at 900, then that would be perfect. But we'll never be able to achieve that. And I'm certain that I'm not the kind of person that can achieve that. Buying the low and selling at the high, buying the low and selling at the high. I'm not. So what I'm doing is I will just continue to sell put and then sell call. But the call that I'm trying to sell is I try to sell at a higher price than my purchase price. And that is what I've been doing for all my stock. And today being the 28th of June, so on the 30th of June, end of the month, I'll be doing an update, and we can see from there how much did my account grow or how much did I lose for the period of June. And you can always look at my previous video on how I actually traded. So I'll see you in 2 days time. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe.